folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to do a product overview for you guys on the Rizzoli ML80. The ML80 is Rizzoli's largest stacked wood cook stove here, and it is available in a variety of color choices and finishes and options. So I'm really excited to have this on my floor and share it with you guys today. It's shown in all black, so black side panels and black doors. Over here I have the Rizzoli S90, which is featured in stainless steel side panels and stainless steel doors. The ML80 would be available in all stainless steel as well. It's available with ceramic tiles in red or white. It's available with soapstone side panels, and you can also custom order these side panels in like any color on the RAL color chart, if you're familiar with that, RAL. Also, like standard colors are like red, white, anthracite, you know, what else is a good standard? Cream is a standard color. So yes, this ML80 is available in a variety of finishes. This particular model is shown with the 3-piece wrap railing. This model can also be ordered with a single front rail or a front and just side combination, or also no railing at all. Now what's nice about this particular model is it can be a top or a rear vent, and it can be a left or a right hand flue. And this is all interchangeable on site, so it does not need to be specified at the time of order. Now we will ask you what flue it is at your time of order, because your damper control for the oven will be set up for what flue it is. However, it can easily be switched out just by taking off the cooktop and doing a quick little change there. And then typically when you switch whatever flue side it's on, you will also change which way the door opens as well, which is a simple mechanism of just switching the hinges on the doors. So maybe I'll do some separate videos so you guys can see that as well. So the Rizzoli is very versatile. It is available without this plinth on the back as well, but that is a custom order if you wanted to see the stove that way. So yeah, this is the ML80. The firebox is going to be located on the top of the stove. It does have a nice wide firebox, and I believe it holds a 19-inch log actually on this model. So we should get nice long burn times. I'm excited to do the first burn. The door is also going to be fully gasketed. These doors are a little more contemporary, so the full glass goes down all the way to this point into the frame. It's got that nice black glass around it, which looks really nice, I think. The oven pulls downwards. The oven is located down here at the bottom. It comes with an enamel pan as well as a wire rack that comes standard. The oven is going to be stainless steel on the interior line. You do have 3 damper controls located on this model stove. Located up top is going to be your main chimney damper control that opens and closes. This is going to direct the smoke path for the flue. So this is the one that can be changed from the left to the right hand side just by taking off the cooktop and moving it over. This is going to be your primary oven control. This one here is going to be your primary air for the firebox, pulled all the way to the right hand side when facing the front of the stove is going to be wide open, and push to your left is going to be closed. And you also have the control located at the bottom of the oven. Again, all the way to the right hand side would be wide open, and push to the left will be closed. Let's see. The Rizzoli stove we import from Italy. It does come standard with a 5-year warranty. It is UL and ULC listed for North America, USA, and Canada. The cooktop is going to be made from a steel finish. There's not really cast iron items on the Rizzoli stove other than the cast iron grate that is going to be located inside the firebox. It is going to have a 6-inch flue located on the top of the stove. So, I really hope that you guys found this product overview helpful. If you guys like my videos, don't forget, give me a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.